Hi everyone. In this video session, we are going to discuss about the portal record mover. Last video session, we have discussed about the portal code editor, how to edit the code in portal code editor using XRM toolbox, and now we are going to transfer into that code into some other environment using portal code mover. So we are having the one of the tool best tool. Instead of using solution deployment, we can do it using this XRM toolbox also. Portal records mover. As I have already installed, so I am able to open immediately portal records mover. Now, when I open this one, they have the few more options: load items, retrieve records, export, import, transfer settings. So, and in this, we have few more options. Load item means when we click on this, whatever the components were available in connected organization, it will show in left side navigation. As we can see, what are the available components is there in this particular environment, we are able to see here. And next, if you want example, I have selected these two. Now I need to clear this selection. Just click on clear selection. If you want to select all these things, means you can click on select all. If you want to clear, you can clear. These are the two options. And coming to before retrieving records, I want to see. I will explain about these options. Now in these options, we are having get records created and after. Now, so get records created on or after means example today or from today to next day onwards, if I create any record, we can select and we can click on retrieve records. If you are not selecting anything means it will show everywhere. If you see here, no entity selected means I will select these are the entities. If I select multi-step form, if anything I have created from today to next day onwards, it will show the list because I have not created anything. That is the reason it is not showing anything. Now, if we go with the content snippets, we have modified today. So I have modified today. I will go with the content snippet here. If I click on this, because I have not created, just I have modified. So that is the reason I'm showing. If you go with the get records modified and after, if I select here, click on retrieve records, see I have modified today. So that is the reason I'm able to see this one. And also get records from website also. You can select what is a particular website and you can retrieve the records also. Means modified only. Either created, you can select and everything. Now I'm selecting records. Next, get only active records. Example, I have edited as an inactive record. You don't know inactive, you want to only active means you can select active records. Now, export, you can export as a folder structure also. You can remove formatted values and display entries with no records found. Everything we can do it. You see here. Now, whatever the we are selected, it will display here. Now, example one only it is there. If I selected here, here also we can clear the selection. If you have more than you have edited more files means we can select all. It will display here. And once it is done, to read this is for the completely whatever the modified or created records you are going to export into the next environment. You can select your criteria whether created or modified from a particular website or everything. You can select the particular criteria and you can click the retrieve records. So now once you have done what are the changes code and those you have selected and everything you have prepared means you need to export these records first. Once you have prepared our what are the criteria we have edited our code everything completed, next step is we have to export the records. Now I have edited footer code content snippet, sorry. So now I'm exporting this one. So when I export this one, when I click on this, it will export it and we can store it in the wherever in our PC, wherever you can store which drive you want, you can store it. And now This is the way just we can export the records. Means when you click on this, it will export as a XML format. How it will export, I will show you now. Now I'm going to export this one. I will show you. Click on export records. Wherever you can export, you can do. I am exporting my F drive. I'm giving the file name as footer change. Save it. So you can see records exported to the F drive footer change.xml. As I showed, it will download as the XML file. I will open and show how it is looking like. I open my F folder and you can see open with. I'm opening with the WordPad as XML file. It will see it is starting as XML version. XML file has downloaded, and now we have given the particular criteria. Whatever the code, we are moving to the next environment. First step has completed, and second step we have exported those records, and third step we can import this one into the whichever environment you want to move it. Now before going to third step, I will show you one more option is there using transfer records. Now we have exported this one and we can go to another environment, we can import it. Before this we can add one more option as a transfer records. Now I'm into the my table environment. Now this one I have to move it to the example UAT environment. So we are having direct option also. If we click on transfer records, it will ask you the whatever environment you are going to move it. Means example, now I have the only one environment, that is the ratio, it is showing one environment. If we have more environments, means example, now for app we are having dev, test, prod. So now I need to move from dev to test. Means this is my dev environment. As example, my if you want to move, means example, select with target environment and click on OK. So next it will come the pop-up like this. See, only content snippet only it is there. So it is success. If it is failed, means it will show the error as error red mark. Now you can click on OK, then close it. Means it is it is updated into the your target environment. This is the one way you need to transfer the code changes into the one environment to another environment. Now second way, now I have exported my XML file. So this XML file we can directly import into the another environment using portal records mover XRM toolbox only. So we have downloaded from the dev environment. Now I need to import into the test environment or some other environment. Now as of now I have the only one environment, that is the result showing here. If you have another environment, means just create a new connection, just directly open a portal records now directly like this and click on import direct records directly, and we can select our file, what are the file, and then just click on open. Same like how we have done for transfer records, same way it will come. Click on import as content snippets done. Your import has done. This is the way you can move the code changes or any other component changes you have done in the portal management using portal records mover. We can achieve this one two ways. One is for the transfer records to the directly another environment, and one more is the using import records. And thank you so much for watching.